Today we'll look into how to calculate variance in Excel. To start, open up your Excel worksheet that you want to work on. Then you select an empty cell where you want to display your results. This is the variance. Now let's display the results for hours. You click on the empty cell and you type in equal to VAR. If you don't have the VAR option in your formula, you type VAR.S. Then you open brackets, you select the cells you want to calculate the variance for, you close your bracket and you press the enter key. To calculate variance for the other cells, you click on the cell you just got the answer for. At the top bottom of the cell, you double click and drag it along. Then automatically it will show answers for the other cells. Now to calculate range for a cell, you click on an empty cell, then you input equal to max, open bracket, select the cell you want to calculate the range for, you close your bracket, minus min, M-I-N, you open your bracket again, select the same cells, you close your bracket and you press the enter key. So this is the range number for these cells. So that's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys, see you in the next video.